So, susubukan namin itong bagong laro ng WePlay na quiz battle at para lang po itong quiz B. Ready ka na?
Ready!
So, tara game. Question number 1. Which singer released the album 25? Oh. Ariana na lang.
Adele, Rihanna,
Ay,
Adele.
Adele.
Oh, hindi talaga ito marunong eh.
Which of the following is a traditional food-going Filipino Goy Assembly Music from Mindanao? Ang hirap. Kundi man naman. Ay, kulintang.
Tawag ano ba yan?
What is the name of Justin Bieber first hit song? Baby.
One time, ano ba yung lahat na naisip ko? Hindi mo pinipindot.
Hindi ko naman nagsasalita eh. What is the name of the butterfly sanctuary in Bohol that is a popular...
Butterfly.
Bohol na nga nakalagay oh. Bohol, butterfly. Guys, wala man lang kaming tama oh. Tapos yung uling-uling sagot, Bohol na nga eh.
Pinindot ko lang kasi.